Oh, let's pick the red one. Ching. I think I should do that. Ching. Blue hat. Blue hat. Character select done. I think I should go play now. Oh, I see something. Oh, it's an tool pack. Where do I pay it? Oh, it's only $2. Oh, I think it's time to pay now. Okay, let me just get some money. Payment. Payment successful. Time to get my tools. It's time to start. Okay, this is where I start. Oh, what am I giving up? Bread and axe? Okay, that's good enough. I think I should get some food more. Oh, I think I found... What's this again? I forgot. I think I should go to another place. Oh! What was that? What should I do now? I think I should go back. What should I do now? Oh, there are a lot of foods grow. Oh, I see. Ting 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 breaking. Breaking. Ting 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 ting. Breaking. Ting. Oh, I broke it. And there's a seed. There's a seed. There's a seed. Let me just pick it up. Let us plant it, guys. Oh, here is a perfect place. There's more apples. Time to harvest them. Oh, a tree fall. Breaks. Time to collect some wood. Time to collect the apples. Where did my seed go? Where did my seed go? Oh, found it. Let me just replant it. Oh, what's that? Oh, I think there's more materials. What should I do now again? Oh, let me just wait. I'd make a crafting table. I think I crafted a bed. Oh, the flowers grow. I think I forgot a pillow, so I need to craft one out of these flowers. Oh, it got broken. Now we need to get those. Oh, that's already planted. Crafting time. Oh, I think I crafted a pillow now. Let me place it in the bed. Oh, wrong place. I think it's time to sleep, guys. Bye. I'm gonna sleep now. Bye. That was a long, great time. Dreams very good.